Y'all is crazy. This is what, before I even start the reaction, I want to say this. Y'all is crazy. Y'all is crazy. On my last reaction video, okay? Let me record my screen in 3, 2, 1. Okay. You feel me? Whoa. What? Let me just back out. Boom. You feel me? On my last video, I only asked for 50 likes, right? Y'all is so like, bro, this is why I love y'all, man. You feel me? Y'all got 155 likes, and I only asked for how much? 50 likes for the other half. Y'all got 155 likes, bro. This is crazy. You know what I'm saying? I love you guys. Y'all, you feel me? Without y'all, I don't even know what I would do without y'all, man. You feel me? So, but if you haven't checked out the video, please go ahead and go check it out. Share the video, know what I mean? Like, click right here and share the video. Subscribe if you haven't. You know what I'm saying? Because we're going lit, we're going viral. Hey. Wait, now hold on. Let me go back a little. Okay. This is where we stopped. So I'm finna continue, but if you're new, subscribe. 50K, we coming. There's nowhere around it, man. I'm just so motivated. I don't even know why. I'm just so motivated. You know what I'm saying? I just gotta keep pushing, but I ain't finna talk too much. Follow my Instagram, marcusT2. You feel me? I ain't finna talk too much. I know I'm talking way too much. I'm sorry. I love you guys. I thank everybody for the love and support. Let's get shit to it. In 3, 2, 1.
Her vagina.
That's nasty. Whoever did that, that's gross. How would you go on a website like this and just show your booty, your hairy booty? Nobody wants to see that.
Hello.
Wait, what?
Sweden. Okay, Sweden. Sweden is talking. Sweden is talking. Damn.
I'm still alive. Why the hell am I seeing angels then?
No.
Look at that.
So cute.
They had to skip.
Why?
They were so
Why are you
shy.
guys hiding?
I don't know.
I hate when people come on Omegle on the website where you show your face. You feel me? Like, if you're shy, like, why are you showing half of your face? Like, isn't it weird? Like, the other person showing his whole face, and then you talk to another person that shows half of their face. Is like, bro, like, let me just skip you. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, the girl in front looks so chunky. Hey, what's up?
Oh, yo, I thought that was chunky.
Yeah, chunky. Like,
What's that?
no.
Do you hear our English? Does it sound good? No.
It's okay. You're beautiful. Shut up.
Oh, thank you very much.
But you're not showing your face though.
The ones that be hiding the face, they're the ones that be so bad too. And then they're the ones to be like, oh, I'm ugly. Oh, I don't look good. They show their faces like, bro, you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Like, come on, man. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Yo, wait. How old are you guys?
18.
Hey, what's up?
Foursome?
Hey? Where are you guys going?
Nowhere.
No, cause you guys look beautiful. How are you guys?
Fine. What about you?
How old are you?
Huh?
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 Huh? How old are you guys?
I'm 16.
What the hell are you laughing at?
Look, it was a man. It was like a boy. He said that he would do a magic trick.
And then he showed you his penis.
No. And then he showed a card where he could see what the card was. And he was like, "Oh,
Oh wait, who?
Boy."
Who asked?
Hi.
Who asked, bro?
Ooh, oh, I get it.
Come on. What?
You're the guys in my dreams. I'm still dreaming. I knew it.
That one works a lot. You know? I tried it. It works. It works.
Okay. Where is this going? Are we gonna do a threesome this time in my dreams?
Not.
Hello?
Hello.
She looks young.
Once again.
I forgot how to say hello in Swedish. Fuck. Teach me.
Hey.
Oh, alright. It's kind of like the
Peach.
same though.
Peach.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Oh, I like the way you say yo. Hey. What are your names?
So cringe.
Havik is over here.
Stop pointing at her. I'm talking to you. Oh, damn. Put the camera back to her, please.
She said, "Get me."
Okay, can you
How can a goddess be so shy? Come on, girl. Shut up and show your face.
That's what I'm saying. She finna get me hot, yo.
Hey. What's her name? Lena Halbag. Yo, I'm gonna do Lena How at your bag, girl.
Huh?
Yo, I also don't know what I just said, but I guess they know what I mean. Lena How at your bag, girl. What the f? Lena, I'm sorry. I was just joking.
What is your name?
My name is Marcus, but the girl in the middle can call me anytime.
She is too young. I appreciate she's too young. He went for the youngest out there, bro.
Bro, you can't be this beautiful in Ometv, bro.
Beautiful?
No, like pretty, like you know what I mean, man.
You're rude. Cause he got long hair. He got long hair. He said that cause he got long hair.
I'm not pretty, sweetie.
Oh, so you're the humble guy, huh?
No, you, no.
Shut up.
He
I swear
said-
to God, I'm gonna
he said
kick your lip
ew.
right now.
Why are you gay?
Why?
Please do. Please do.
Why are you gay?
Why are you so
Oh, hell
Gay.
no.
That shit is disgusting.
Dude. Hey, what's up?
Hey.
What's your name?
Evelyn. What's yours?
Evelyn. I'm Marcus, but you can call me anytime. If you know what I mean.
She is too young. She is underage. She is underage.
Call me, ring, ring.
How old are you?
Oh shit, here we go again, bro. Yeah, Have a great day.
Hey.
Hi.
No, no, no.
Yes, yes, yes. Oh, hey. How do you guys speak English?
Yeah.
How do you when a Russian
Bye, have a great time.
the reason I'm listening to me?
No cry. Please, no cry.
No cry.
When a Russian guy and a Russian woman, you know, do something in bed.
Bye, have a great time.
Yeah! Boobies! Yeah! Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful food.
Yeah, he's stupid,
You
yo.
speak English?
What
Are
do you?
you really Korean? 안녕하세요. Hey, what's up? No, I'm not Korean. I just love K-drama, you know. My favorite one. What was that? Goblin's Bride. The Goblin's Bride. The Goblin's Bride. Oh, I love that.
Yo, he knows every song, eh?
What's your name? Siyun?
Sion.
Siyuna! Do you have Instagram? Alright, can I have it?
Marcus, don't you? Is it Jessica? Isn't it Jessica? Might be watching. Jessica, your girlfriend, right? Marcus, I'm gonna snitch on you. No, I can't do that. I can't snitch on him. You feel me? That's the broski. I can't do that to him, right? Hey Marcus, man, you cooking up though.
Ooh, that's
Damn, Marcus, you popping. 100 followers, 100 likes. Okay, he's popping.
How to say cute in Korean? Kyowon. Okay, I don't know how to say it, but I just want to say you're cute. That's it.
I'll be the one to cherish you. The beautiful night.
You can see me?
No, I cannot. You're a ghost.
No, I mean, you're not supposed to see me.
Why?
Cause only cute girls can see me though.
Yeah, I'm ugly. Yeah, I'm ugly.
No, it means you're cute, dumbass. I meant you're cute.
Oh yes, daddy.
How old are you?
Almost 20.
I was about to pause the video and skip. But I'm glad she said 20 though.
Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful food. What's your name?
My name is Shayeste.
How to say it?
Shayeste.
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 Okay, that's not an English name. What?
I'm Persian.
You're Persian?
Yeah.
Yo, that's so cool. My first time meeting one though. Okay.
What's your mother tongue?
Filipino.
Filipino. Can you speak a little bit?
Yeah.
Is it Tigana?
Utin. Maliit titi. Malaki titi. How about you teach me some Persian words, especially the I love you. How to say I love you in your language?
We say Duset Daram.
What?
Duset Daram.
You said that
I love you too.
Oh my god. To this Sada? Is it to this Sada? To this Sada?
Are you teaching me the right words, or maybe that's a bad word?
Oh no, that's not a bad word.
Okay.
It means I love you.
You can't trust females these
I love
days.
you too. Come on, stop saying that.
Oh my god.
What's your body count?
5.
5?
Yeah. My baby.
What's your body count, Marcus? You like to put people on the spot, Marcus. Somebody gotta put you on the spot. You feel? I'm putting you on the spot, Marcus. What's your body count? Clip this and send it to him. You know what I'm saying? We trying to know, Marcus. We trying to know.
We are meant to be, but your sister is just making fun of me.
No, I'm not.
What
she
the
loves
fuck?
you. Okay.
Wait, I only need one girl. Yo, chill.
Can you follow my Instagram?
She want me.
Yeah, sure.
She want me.
You wanna follow me too?
No, he doesn't.
Are they really
Leah.
fighting?
Yes.
Can I shout out your Instagram?
Yeah, if you want to.
No, I'm not joking, cause like.
Maybe please follow me.
That's not fair, bro. Like, he gonna get every single girl with that. Bro, you only gotta do this, like. You know what I'm saying, bro?
Okay,
That is
I
not fair.
will DM you. And you will
I need my plaque, man, to put it right here.
Yeah, and then we're gonna start the relationship, right?
Yeah. And then we get married and get a lot of kids.
Gold digger!
Okay.
Gold digger! I'm so dead, bro. That's a gold digger! You know what I'm saying? That's a gold digger right there. No cap, that's a gold digger. But hey, you feel me? That was the other part. Who's texting my phone, yo? God damn. That was the other half, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all got over 50 likes, man. Y'all blew up that like button, and I appreciate y'all. I appreciate everybody that's clicking the like button. I appreciate everybody that's clicking the subscribe button, especially the subscribe button. You feel me? You feel me? Every single one of y'all that subscribe, y'all are really changing my life one by one, day by day. You know what I'm saying? We're growing so much. We better hit 42,000. So I need every single one of y'all to subscribe, man. Let's hit this 42,000 tonight. You know what I'm saying? We are 41,965. I'm pretty sure after this video we're gonna be close to 42,000, but I'm trying to wake up tomorrow with 42,000. So I need every single one of y'all to go subscribe if you haven't. Share this video. Follow me on my Instagram at JustOfficial too, as I'm on there every single day. And it's very important to follow me on there, because you know, if something goes wrong on my YouTube channel, I gotta let y'all know on my Instagram, on my social medias. But if y'all don't follow me on my social medias, how you guys gonna know what's going on with me? You know what I'm saying? So like, hey man, follow up my social medias to stay activated, to stay tuned, to stay updated, especially updated, you know, because I post a lot on my Instagram. And I follow y'all back, man. I do follow y'all back. So hey, go crazy. I love you guys, and see you guys in the next one. I'm out.